In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on my story. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to our Play Store or App Store. And then we just have to search for Instagram right here. Once we're on Instagram, you have to make sure that this button right here says open. If it says update, you just have to update your Instagram to its latest model. Now, if that still doesn't work, all you have to do is to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on app. You just have to click on apps again and search for Instagram. Now, once we're on Instagram, we just have to click on storage and then click on clear cache. After that, you can uninstall and reinstall Instagram again. What this does is that this offloads the app so that it can restart the course of its program. If that still doesn't work, all you have to do is to click on this profile button right here, click on these three lines on the upper corner, and then scroll down. Now you just have to click on help and then report a problem. Now you can just briefly explain what is wrong with your Instagram and what you want them to fix. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.